Welcome back to the channel, another video, guys. Today we are doing a Bloom Technique acrylic pour. The weather here has been up and down, so I wanted to bring a little bit of spring to my canvas today. So that's what we're gonna do. And with that, let's get right into it. So like I was saying, the weather's been acting crazy here in South Carolina, so I wanted to paint something with spring colors. I'm anxiously awaiting the summertime, if you couldn't tell. I love the warmth and being able to camp and cook out or go to the beach. So I used a very vibrant set of greens to achieve a gradient effect under the lacing of this swipe. This FX fluorescent is one of my absolute favorite greens. I love it. And then just look at this gold color from Folk Art. This color has been sold out in my area for so long, and it's finally back in stock. It's one of the few golds that dries looking like actual gold. So if you haven't tried it, you have to give it a shot when you get a chance, because it's a lovely color. I haven't been posting as much as I'd like because my youngest broke his leg playing soccer with the bigger kids. So I have been taking care of him most days, so I appreciate all of your understanding. At this point, I'm ensuring coverage on the sides. I've done paintings in the past where I overlooked this step and forgot all about it. After it's dried, seeing that bald spot on the canvas is just a sad thing for me. Now it's also important that you pop the bubbles in the paint. If you don't, they can leave pits in the dried paint, or they can even leave tiny little spots of color where you may not want them. Here I'm trying a swipe that I've seen on a bunch of different artist channels, and at this point I realized how bad I am at this type of swipe. So I don't risk making these colors too muddy, and I changed my approach. I figured I would leave this in the video because I get a lot of comments about how I make different techniques and stuff look easy to y'all. And it's important to know that everybody struggles with different things, and I'm no different than any of you. There are no failures in art, only lessons, and it's all part of the journey. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.